This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade sweet pickles using an easy method. First, select about 4 pounds of small, firm pickling cucumbers, ideally 4 to 5 inches long. You will also need 4 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of pickling salt, and your favorite pickling spices like mustard seeds and dill. Ensure your canning jars are clean and sterilized for safe preservation. Now, let's prepare the delicious sweet brine. In a large saucepan, combine 4 cups of white vinegar, 2 cups of sugar, and 1/4 cup of pickling salt. Stir these ingredients until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. Next, add your preferred pickling spices, such as 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of dill seeds, to infuse flavor. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for about 5 minutes. With your brine ready, it's time to pack the cucumbers. Slice your 4 pounds of cucumbers into spears, chips, or rounds as you prefer. Tightly pack them into your sterilized pint or quart jars, ensuring no large gaps. Carefully pour the hot brine over the cucumbers, leaving 1/2 inch of headspace at the top. Remove air bubbles, wipe rims, and seal with lids. Process in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes for proper sealing. Once processed, carefully remove the hot jars from the water bath and place them on a towel to cool completely for 24 hours. After cooling, check that the lids have sealed properly. They should be concave and not flex when pressed. Store your sealed sweet pickles in a cool, dark pantry. For the best flavor, allow them to cure for at least 2 weeks before opening and enjoying your delicious homemade sweet pickles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.